Hello everybody, so here we are, we're here with the Impossible Burger. Now it's a very small burger, the one that they've given me, but this isn't exactly what it's going to be like when you buy it. But this little beef patty right here is the real deal. It's supposed to be meat, but it's not actually from a cow. It's been scientifically made, and I want you guys to see my first reaction. I love my meat. I'm not a vegetarian. I'm not a greenie per se. This is absolutely something that I'm just dying to try and see if they can pull off this beef feeling that I normally get in a burger. So let's have a small bite of this small burger from Impossible Foods. This is really funny. Yeah, it's strangely similar to beef. It's incredibly similar to beef, actually. You can even see in some areas it's quite red, it's quite bloody still. So you can see it replicates what beef does. I'm gonna have one more bite just to be completely sure I'm not losing my mind. You know, it's crazy. Even looking at the fibers within the meat, it looks real. If I didn't know I was at this event and here to try this burger, I wouldn't have known. I would never have known that this was not meat. What's been amazing is it's not just meant to be a soy product that completely replaces what meat is and what it does. It's for vegetarians. It's actually meant to have the same protein and nutrition that a beef burger provides. So I'm getting the same sustenance out of this burger as I would from a beef burger, but without the death of an animal or the space that's required to breed cattle and things like that. So I think if you think about the saving lives thing on the side, the amount of space that's actually required to produce meat like this is far less than what's required to breed cattle for the beef industry. So extremely fascinating. I'm going to keep eating this burger and consider me fooled, but not disappointed.